Hi guys, how are you doing today? Now a very major concern in all of us, और ये क्वेश्चन मुझसे बहुत लोग पूछते हैं on a regular basis कि सर what is the right time to invest? What is the right time to invest in stocks or in mutual funds? Or just what is the right time? How do you find the right time? Right? So in today's video, we are going to be answering this question that what is the right time for you to invest in stock markets? Now before starting this video, I like to give a disclaimer that if you're a person who is investing using technical tools and who is a technical trader, this video is not for you because buying and selling कब करनी है in technical analysis only technical tools will tell you, no one else. Now coming to the people who want to invest in a fundamentally chosen share or mutual fund या फिर खरीद के छोड़ना चाहते हैं शेयर को, right? How to see the right time? To quote Warren Buffett, he says that this world does not belong to pessimists. This world does not belong to pessimists. At every given point in time, आपके पास 1000 रीजन होंगे not to invest. करंट गवर्नमेंट ठीक नहीं है, करंट गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी ठीक नहीं है, ऑयल का इशू चल रहा होगा, करेंसी का इशू होगा, कोई नेचुरल डिजास्टर हो जाए, कंपनी का फ्रॉड केस आ जाए, यूएस के प्रेसिडेंट की प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, इंटरनेशनल पीस प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. सो यू नो I'm sure in no point of time you will ever find कि everything is perfect. हर जगह you will find thousands of reasons not to invest. But market तो चढ़ ही रहा है. Sensex from here has gone till here. Any share, any fundamentally good share from here has gone till here. But हम सोचते ही रहते हैं right time क्या है, right time क्या है. मार्केट अभी गिर गया तो क्या ये right time है. मार्केट अभी चढ़ गया तो क्या अभी ले लें, हो सकता है और चढ़ जाए. This world does not belong to pessimists. There is no such concept as a right time to invest. You need to start your investment as soon as possible. The right time does not exist. Because हमेशा आपके पास 1000 reason होंगे not to invest. But market in the long run ऊपर चढ़ ही रहा है. I'll give an example. Now suppose a lot of people might be asking 10 साल पहले 20 साल पहले कि मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करें नहीं करें, उनका डिसीजन पोस्टपोन होता गया. मार्केट से ऊपर ही चढ़ रहा है. Now just imagine इतनी ग्रोथ में you zoom in into that picture. और जो हम आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रहे थे was यहाँ खरीदें कि यहाँ खरीदें. And then you come out to the large picture. Does it matter? It does not. वो जो small volatility, जो small 10-20 रुपए बचाना चाह रहे हो, it is not worth your time. It is not worth your energy. Growth outruns volatility. Growth outruns all those reasons you're looking for not to invest. And if you're sitting in a country like India, trust me my friend, right time if you want to know, abhi si waqt. Video band karo, open a demat account if you don't have one, या फिर abhi si waqt make your investment to mutual funds or demat, whatever you want. This is the right time to invest. Growth will always overpower volatility. 1000 reasons होंगे not to invest. But again, growth. Well, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't be afraid to click the like button. Help us out by clicking the subscribe button, and we would love to have you in the family. Till then, bye bye.